the most random things I've ever had happen. A friend asked me if I'd seen the six-pack in La Crosse. I didn't know what he was talking about till he told me it was the silos. And lo and behold, I had driven past him earlier that day and happened to film him. Crazy. But anyway, what really took us to La Crosse was not so much the big bridge over the Mississippi, but this incredible railroad bridge that was constructed 140 some years ago and has been in service ever since. It's the Milwaukee Road Swing Bridge across the Mississippi at La Crosse. And this thing is incredible. The boats have the right-of-way on the Mississippi and other waterways over the railroads or anybody else that has a drawbridge. So they have to be manned 24 hours a day and operated. And the whole process is pretty fascinating to watch. So we decided we'd try and get some drone footage of it. And my grandson and I and Terry all went over there. And this is the result of doing some video work and what we could to catch it actually in operation. The fact that this entire weight of this bridge pivots on a central point is pretty incredible. And, luckily this thing doesn't have to work in the dead of winter. But originally it was steam powered, and of course since the advent of electricity it's been converted to use electric motors. But to this day, that thing is opened and closed multiple times during shipping season every day. And when you multiply that times the number of times it gets operated in a day, over the number of times that happens in a year, over 140 years, it's pretty incredible.